Hello, my lovies. Today we're going to do a fun little practice. We're not going to learn any new spellings. We're going to practice because we've done several long E spellings. Remember that the long vowel says its name, so that'll say E, but short E says eh. So we're going to change short E words to have a long E, and then we're going to change long E words to have a short E. So the beginning and the end sounds of these words are going to be the same. We're only going to change the middle vowel sound. Now, sometimes I give you clues with colors. The reason I use green for short vowels is the short vowel cards have green at the bottom, and the long vowel cards are written in yellow. So when they were up in my classroom and my kids saw them, if they saw green, it reminded them it was going to be a short sound. If they saw yellow, they knew it would be a long. Are you ready? All right, the first one is bead. B-E-D. So bead is long. What would be the short word? Instead of E, we're going to go E. B-ed. Bed. All right, see how we're going to do this? All right, ben is a short. Now let's put E in the middle. What would the word be? Bean, bean, like black beans. All right. Lead is long. He's going to lead that line. What would be the short sound? Ed. Yesterday, he led the line. Lead is if you do it today. Led is if you've already done it. All right. Fed is short. So what's going to be the long word? Fed. Feed. She's going to feed the baby. He fed the dog yesterday. All right. Mean is long. Mean. What will be short? En. Men is short. Doing fine. Bet. Bet is short. What will be long? Eat. Beat. Okay. I'll beat you when we race. I could have even put another kind of E spelling. Beat, like the beat that you eat. All right. Neat is long. Eat. What'll be short? Net. Good job. How about met? Et is short, so what'll be the long one? Eat. Meat, like the meat that you eat. All right. Seal. Eel is long. What'll be short? Excuse me. Sell. He's going to sell that car. Red is short. Red is short. What'll be long? Read. Sure. Steam is long. Steam. Steam. How about short? Stem. Stem. That's the long part of the flower that you cut. Stem. Speck. He's got a little speck in his eye. Speck is short. What is long? Speak. She will speak to her friends. There's her little, we call that word bubble. She puts her words in there, whatever she's going to speak. Set. Set the table. Set is long. What is, is short. Did you catch my mistake? Set is short. What is long? Eat. There's his seat. No mistake on this one. Good reading. I wonder if that statue does good reading too. Oh, I don't know. See you later, alligator. Time to scoot, little newt.